Hello there. I just wanted to make this quick demo to look at this chat app that I've been working on recently. Still a work in progress. Still have a lot of stuff, a lot of work to do here, but I think I've reached a point where I've implemented a lot, and I want to kind of show off what I've done so far. So this is the login and registration page. This would be the page that's presented when you first go to the website. Right now it's not deployed. I'm just running on my own local host. But the plan is to deploy this once I have more of an MVP together, but it's almost there. So, and I guess I should say that this is using React for the front end. In the back end, it's a Node backend with Express, MongoDB for my database, and Socket.io for handling messages, as well as some other information like users in the room and some stuff like that. So the login and registration is secure. It has validations on all the fields. The passwords are hashed and salted using bcrypt, and the validations on the username and email ensure that those are unique. So you can't have any duplicate usernames or emails in this database, in this website. So I already have a couple users, so I'm going to go ahead and log in under a couple of these users that I have, a couple of these test users. So here we have Jack Reacher. That's this person's username. And then we'll go ahead and we'll log in under bmarks32 on the right. So once you log in or register, you'll be presented with this this dashboard page. Where you have the option to choose between 4 rooms. So one stretch goal that I have, this is probably the next thing that I want to implement, is the ability for users to create their own rooms if a room doesn't already exist under that name. So if someone wanted to create a room for movies, they could easily do that. But if they wanted to create a room for sports, they would not be able to. They would be redirected to this sports channel instead. So that's something that that I want to get implemented here next. But at the moment, we're just working with these 4 rooms. So you have the choice to choose whichever room you want to join, and you can leave and join. We'll go over that. So Jack Reacher joins sports, and we can see it says, "Welcome to sports, Jack Reacher." You can leave sports right here. So we'll just go back to the dashboard. And then you can chat with any users in this channel, and it shows the users in this channel, including the user that is in the channel. So right now, only Jack Reacher is in this channel. If I go ahead and join sports under bmarks32 on my other window here, you can see that it updated in real time for both users. So now Jack Reacher can see, oh, the bmarks32 is in this room. So we'll go ahead and send some messages here. We'll say, hey, bmarks. And when we send that, the message gets sent out to all the connected users in this room. Okay. And it's a little bit hard to see from the screen size that I have, but if I full screen this, you can see that the message from other users is going to show up on the left. This is bmarks32. So Jack Reacher sent this. So all those messages will show up on the left. They also have the timestamp on them. And then whenever the connected user, the client, actually sends a message, it'll show up on the right. So we'll send a message, and you'll see that it shows up on the right, and it automatically scrolls down to the bottom. So if we send another message here, automatically scrolls down to the bottom for all the connected users. And I formatted the messages that way so you can easily see what messages you sent and what messages other people have sent. So let's go ahead and get this back to split screen. So that's pretty cool. And then we can also go ahead and leave sports. So if bmarks32 leaves sports, all those messages are still there. But you can see that the users in this room updated, and now bmark can go and join science and technology. right? And send some messages here. And Jack Reacher can go ahead and leave sports and join science and technology, and he'll see, or they will see the previous messages from before they joined, right? So I'm storing these messages in Mongo, in the database, and that's how they're able to see previous messages. We go ahead and leave that room, and we can see that it updates in real time. All these rooms work, so you can join between all these rooms, and they all do work. You can see that the messages only send to that room. It doesn't send to the other rooms. You can see there, it doesn't send to any of the other rooms, only to that room. And we can go ahead and we can join politics and see that. So it's pretty cool. This was a good learning experience for learning Socket.io. I feel pretty comfortable with it at this point. And excuse me, I plan on continuing to work on this project. Like I said, I have some next steps that I want to take, some next goals that I have, like having users create their own room is a big one. And there's other stuff that I want to do. Obviously, I could make this dashboard look better and everything, but the main point of this to start was just integrating Socket.io and getting comfortable with that, working with rooms, multiple rooms, and also integrating the database in there, so that the messages persist after refreshes and when you leave the room and when the app is closed. Same with the users in the room and all that. So the users in the room are being stored in the database as well. The rooms are stored in the database and the messages are stored in the database. So that's how I'm easily able to query between all those three and get that information. So it's pretty cool. I appreciate you checking out this video. It's a small app at the moment, but integrating that Socket.io can be a beast sometimes. So I just wanted to show that off, and I look forward to posting updates on this chat app, and hope you do too. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.